10 TSA-approved snack hacks that airlines hope you never find out. Flying doesn't have to mean choking down stale airline crackers or shelling out $12 for a pathetic airport sandwich. If you've ever boarded a plane hungry and regretted not bringing your own food, you're about to discover why that keeps happening and how to fix it forever. Most travelers think TSA food rules are a maze of confusion, so they give up before they start. Airlines absolutely love this mindset because it funnels millions of hungry passengers straight to their overpriced snack carts and terminal vendors. In this video, I'm revealing the TSA-approved snack strategies that airlines pray you never learn. We're talking game-changing hacks that transform your carry-on into a gourmet survival kit. No rule-breaking required, just smart travelers beating the system. Let's dive in. Number 10. Freeze it to beat the liquid rule. Most travelers think yogurt, hummus, or smoothies are banned from flights thanks to TSA's strict liquid rules. Airlines love this confusion. It keeps you buying their overpriced options. Here's the loophole they don't want you to know. If it's frozen solid at screening time, it's allowed through security. This hack opens up a whole new world of creamy, protein-packed snacks. Freeze your Greek yogurt, acai bowls, or small smoothies in travel-size containers the night before your flight. Pack them in an insulated lunch bag with a small ice pack, also frozen solid, to keep them cold through security. Pro tip: frozen snacks double as ice packs for other foods, making this a 2-for-1 win. Once you're past security, let them thaw naturally. By takeoff, you'll have perfectly chilled, satisfying snacks. No $8 airport smoothie required. But here's where it gets really interesting. Number 9. Build your own TSA-approved gourmet snack box. Skip those $12 airport snack packs filled with stale crackers and mystery cheese. Airlines hope you'll grab these overpriced options out of desperation, but smart travelers know better. The secret? Create your own gourmet snack box that's TSA-friendly, healthier, and way more satisfying. Start with a reusable bento box with separate compartments. Fill it with dry or semi-dry items. Roasted chickpeas, premium nuts, dried fruit, artisan crackers, cheese cubes. Solid cheese is always allowed. Mini pita slices, cherry tomatoes, turkey jerky, or even hard-boiled eggs. Want to level up? Tuck in a square of dark chocolate or a few olives for that salty-sweet combo that makes airline snacks taste like cardboard. Pro tip: customize boxes for kids to keep little passengers happy. You'll be the hero of the family section. Think that's helpful? Just wait for the next one. Number 8. The empty jar hack that changes everything. Think beyond plastic sandwich bags. An empty mason jar can become your in-flight snack MVP. And airlines definitely don't want you to know this trick. Here's how it works. TSA allows empty containers through security. Once you're past the checkpoint, you can fill that jar with almost anything from airport vendors or your own pre-packed ingredients. Bring a clean empty jar and add dry ingredients before boarding: granola, nuts, or cereal. After security, grab a single-serve yogurt, fruit cup, or even guac from a food vendor. Combine them for a custom parfait or snack mix that feels gourmet. Pro tip: the tight seal prevents crumbs in your carry-on and leaks at cruising altitude. Plus, jars are reusable throughout your trip. What if I told you there's an even smarter way to protect your snacks? Number 7. The Nocrush snack tube that saves everything. Ever pack snacks only to find them crushed into sad crumbs by the time you reach your seat? Airlines love this. It means you'll buy their overpriced options instead. The solution: a no-crush snack tube that protects your delicate treats. Repurpose a clean, empty Pringles can or protein powder container to safely transport crackers, cookies, rice cakes, granola bars, or even sandwiches cut into manageable pieces. The rigid sides protect your food from getting smashed, even if your bag gets stuffed under the seat. Pro tip: this works especially well for homemade treats that would normally get destroyed in transit. When everyone else is picking crumbs out of a Ziploc, you'll be munching like a travel pro. It's functional, TSA safe, and surprisingly satisfying to pack. But wait until you see how gourmet you can go. Number 6. Create a gourmet charcuterie board at 35,000 feet. Yes, you can have a mini charcuterie board on your flight, no refrigeration required. Airlines charge premium prices for basic snacks, hoping you don't know about these gourmet alternatives. The insider secret: shelf-stable gourmet options that are both TSA-approved and delicious. Look for individually wrapped hard cheeses like aged cheddar, Gouda, or Parmesan. They don't need refrigeration for short periods. Pair them with vacuum-sealed snack packs of salami or prosciutto, dried fruit, premium nuts, and artisan crackers. Pro tip: everything fits in a small pouch and clear security with no issues since it's all solid, non-liquid food. You'll create a full in-flight spread that rivals business class at a fraction of the cost. Plus, you control the portions, flavors, and quality. Think that's impressive? This next hack might just blow your mind. Number 5. The bento box strategy that airlines fear. Forget foil-wrapped sandwiches that get soggy and protein bars that taste like cardboard. A bento-style lunchbox is one of the smartest ways to bring a complete TSA-approved meal without any mess. Why airlines don't want you to know this? It completely eliminates their in-flight food sales. Bento boxes are compact, compartmentalized, and incredibly travel-friendly. Fill them with bite-sized solid items: grilled chicken strips, rice balls, roasted veggies, mini sandwiches, hard-boiled eggs, cheese cubes, or fresh fruit slices. Pro tip: want sauce or dip? Use tiny leak-proof containers under the liquid limit or freeze them using hack number 10. You can eat in stages. Open one section at a time without fumbling with wrappers. It's healthier, cheaper, and honestly more enjoyable than anything from the in-flight cart. But here's the ultimate lightweight strategy. If you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover these hidden perks. And if you want more airline secrets and senior travel hacks, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. Number 4. Dehydrate everything for maximum impact. When space is tight and TSA restrictions feel overwhelming, dehydrated snacks are your secret weapon. Airlines hope you'll think healthy options are too complicated. They're not. The insider advantage: dehydrated foods are lightweight, mess-free, and pack serious nutrition without any TSA complications. Think Beyond Jerky, dehydrated mango, apple chips, banana slices, veggie crisps, beet zucchini, dried edamame, snap peas, and even cheese crisps. For something sweet, try dried strawberries or cinnamon-dusted pears. Pro tip: make your own snack mixes at home with a dehydrator or oven, customizing salt and seasoning levels. Pack everything in resealable pouches for easy access. Because they're dry, they won't make a mess or leave greasy fingers. Perfect for tight quarters or turbulence. What if I told you there's something even more convenient? Number 3. Single-serve nut butter packs. That changed the game. Nut butters are powerhouses of protein and healthy fats, but traditional jars are TSA nightmares. They count as liquids and exceed size limits. Airlines love this confusion because it drives you to their overpriced options. The solution: single-serve nut butter packets that are TSA approved and incredibly versatile. These mini pouches come in almond, peanut, cashew, and sunflower seed varieties. Squeeze them onto crackers, apple slices, or eat them straight when hunger hits. They don't need refrigeration and fit perfectly in your carry-on. Pro tip: use them to upgrade airport snacks. Drizzle over bananas, mix with trail mix, or spread on mini sandwiches from your DIY snack box. They're mess-free, lightweight, and combine convenience with nutrition. Airlines definitely don't want you to know about this hack, but here's an eco-friendly twist that's even smarter. Number 2. Silicone bags, the reusable game changer. Plastic sandwich bags are wasteful and get crushed easily. Airlines prefer you stick with flimsy options that fail, It means more snack sales for them. The upgrade: reusable silicone bags that are TSA approved and far superior to plastic. These flexible, durable bags seal tightly to keep snacks fresh and prevent spills. They're sturdier than plastic, so your food stays protected from crushing. Plus, they're eco-friendly and reusable. Pro tip: they come in different sizes for perfect portioning, and you can even bring small amounts of dips or spreads within TSA liquid limits. Use them for trail mixes, sliced vegetables, cheese cubes, or fresh fruit. They're lightweight, flexible, and fit easily in any bag without adding bulk. And here's the simplest hack that most travelers completely miss. Number 1. The whole fruit rule that airlines hope you forget. Fresh fruit is one of the best flight snacks, nutritious, hydrating, and naturally satisfying. But many travelers think the TSA will confiscate it, so they skip it entirely and buy overpriced airport alternatives. The truth: airlines don't advertise. TSA allows whole, solid fruits through security without any issues. The key is keeping fruit intact and uncut. Whole fruits are considered solids, not liquids. Choose sturdy options with thick skins. Apples, oranges, clementines, and bananas work perfectly. Pro tip: pack them in a mesh bag for easy screening access. Once on board, peel or slice for a fresh, juicy snack that beats airline pretzels every time. Combine with nuts or single-serve nut butter, hack number 3, for balanced energy that keeps you satisfied throughout your flight. This simple rule can transform your travel experience, and it's completely free. So, which of these hacks would make the biggest difference for your next flight? Have you tried any of these strategies before? Drop a comment and let us know. And don't miss our guide to 12 hidden airline benefits could save seniors hundreds. You'll discover even more ways to elevate your travel experience without spending a fortune. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more travel hacks, and as always, safe travels.